Best free text to video AI generators. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am super excited to show you guys some of the amazing AI tools available out there. With the rising tech in AI, with the rising power of AI, it's very essential to incorporate it in your day-to-day use as well. And converting text into your own creative video can be a great way to get started. This can help you elevate your marketing techniques as well as help you elevate your presentations and so much more. So how can you do that for free if you're just playing around with it? And if you're just looking around, there are so many tools that will help you in doing this for free as well. And in this video, we're going to be discussing three of those. So first off on our list is Flicky AI. Now, some of you might say, hey, this is not available for free. Well, this is available for free. The free plan is very limited. I'm not saying that it's not limited, but the free plan allows you 5 minutes of credits per month, so you can create 5 minutes worth of video. You can create videos with ideas, blog articles, presentations, tweets, and more. And you have AI image generation as well as thousands of video clips, stickers, and music assets that you can use. So if you're just diving into it and if you're just looking around to get an idea of the type of things or the type of videos you can create, Flicky AI is going to be great. So let's get into the first platform. I'm going to be showing you two more, so stay tuned till the end of this video. Now we're going to click on start now on Flicky AI and we can just log on to our account. I'm going to proceed to my account over here. You can sign up with Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, or your email address. So once you log in to Flicky AI, you have multiple different tools other than just text to video. You can click on create new file over here and you can choose the size you want. We're just building a sample video and you can choose a language that you want as well and click on submit over here. And from here, you can get started with adding the type of idea you want. So let's say I want to build a listicle video on top 10 movies of all time, and then I just want to generate this via a idea. You can also choose to generate with a blog, presentation, or tweet. Now let's say the duration of this should be 1 minute, and then I have the type of art I want to use. So let's say I want to primarily use stock media, and let's say I want to primarily use stock media, and then I'm going to click on submit over here, and now Flicky AI is building our video for us. So it's now creating the video that we have just given the idea for. Now obviously the more crisp your idea is, the more detail you provide with your idea, the better the AI generation will be. So you guys can see Flicky AI not only converts your text into video or builds a video according to your text, but it also takes a voiceover. It can add voiceovers, it can elevate your video to a next level, and it can also add auto subtitles as well. So if we take a look at our video over here, it's chosen the voiceover of Sarah. Let's just take a look at the sounds we have available. So you can see all of the voice selection options you have. You guys can see there are so many available like this. So you guys can see you can try out the different voices.
Helps you create audio.
So you can choose whichever one you prefer. And I'll show you guys what our audio or video is currently looking like. It's 1 minute and 30 seconds. And this is the video that the Flicky AI has generated for us. So I'm just going to let it process so we can just do a brief preview.
Unveiling the top 10 movies of all time.
So you guys can see in this way, it has chosen, different stock media files to start building our video. Now, this is just one aspect of video generation with AI and with text. The next tool that we are going to be discussing is Genmo. So Genmo allows you to create free videos as well, and you can just describe your video. So I want a video of a person walking away, or you can enter whatever prompt you want. If you feel super confused about your prompt, you can always go onto the right side over here and you have this dice option. So the dice option allows you to get a prompt. So a princess with a golden crown. Let's say I don't like this idea, I want something else. A native man with a tiger woman hug. Now let's say isometric butterfly chase with runners, food commercial with strawberries flying through the air. I like this idea, so I'm going to click on enter over here, and you can sign up for free with Google or Discord. I'm going to proceed with Google over here on Genmo to start building our free video. Now the video generation on this is different because you're providing a visual that you want. On Flicky AI, you provide a idea that you want to convert into a video form. However, Genmo itself builds a unique video. So in this way, it's different. The type of video you create on any one of these AI generation platforms is different. So you guys can see that Genmo is now generating the video. It's pending, obviously. It's going to render the entire video, which can be a bit time consuming. So keep that in mind whenever you are generating videos. So we're just going to wait for the video generation to be completed. And you can see within our prompt, it's giving me more suggestions. So if I want a slow motion close-up, if I want a strawberry smoothie, if I want a strawberry dessert. So you guys can see our video has now been generated without having to spend hundreds and thousands of dollars on marketing, on building the visuals, on getting a professional camera, on setting up the visuals, buying the product. You can start building with Genmo, and it has generated a stunning visual. It's still rendering. This is only 37% of the rendering. Obviously, it's gonna look cleaner and cleaner, and the more detail I provide for the type of video that I want to create, the better the video will be. So in this way, you can get started. And the most fantastic thing about using Genmo is that you can upload your own images for reference. So if I click on upload image over here, and I give it a particular image, so let's say we have this particular product over here, I can open this up and I can ask it to build this product in a really dynamic place. So place this bag in a really busy street on an empty table, and all the people look at it in awe, like this. So you can provide these kinds of templates as well, and you can submit and get video generations of that as well. You guys can see our strawberry generation is going really nicely. It's generated 2 versions, and both of them are still rendering. However, they look absolutely stunning. Now we're gonna let this run in the background, and we're gonna move to our next tool, which is Morph Studio. So Morph Studio, again, is a text to video AI magic tool, and you can join the beta version of this in Discord. So you can click on join beta in Discord, and for this you do require a Discord account. It's only available on the Discord Studio. So you're gonna click on over here, and you're gonna accept the Discord Studio invite. And this will add you to the Discord channel of Morph Studio. Now over here, you have your get started info. So we're just going to add this over here. And once we are in the Discord welcome section, you will find a example on how to get started. So you can just open this up. You will see your newbie section. You have your Morph Video Generator 1, Morph Video Generator 2. A very simple life hack that I'm going to tell you guys about is that you can just add the video generator bot to your own private channel, and that can just be easier for you to add. So you guys can see this person has provided this image prompt: slow, disturbing, cute little monster made of fast fashion trash, all of these detailed prompts. Now what I'm gonna do is you can just do slash, and you can ask it to sketch to anime / video, and then you're gonna input your prompt. So majestic anime girl running towards the sun, standing in clouds, pinkish coloring. So now it's going to get started with generating our image. So Morph is imagining about this particular prompt, and obviously, because this is a Discord channel, other people are going to text and your message might go up. So you will have to spend some time in finding it again. And you do have to wait a little, simply because of the high load and the number of people that are using the tech at the same time. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to get started with building your own AI generated videos using these tools. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to help you guys out, and I will catch you guys in the next video.